In this video, I am going to discuss about the some structure of our C program, or we are dividing the C program into the some particular sections. Okay, now these sections are document section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, function prototype declaration section, main function, user defined function, definition sections. These are the sections in our C language. Okay, so now I am opening our recent projects. So this is my program. Here this is my main section. Okay, this is my main section and this is the link section. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of documentation section? In the documentation section, we are writing some information about our program. It means the other name, why we are creating that one, and what is the things we are doing on this program. Those information we are putting on the documentation section. Here I am putting in my program I am putting the documentation section. So if you want to write some information on our program, use the comments. Okay, comments are ignored by the compiler. So if you are writing anything in these comments, so / star, after that write something about this program, other name, date, regarding. So like this information we are putting the documentation section. So documentation section can give you comments about the program, creation or modification date, other name is in this section. The characters or words or anything which are given between / star and * won't be considered by the C compiler for compilation process. This will be ignored by the C compiler during the compilation. This is the documentation section. After that, link section. So link section header files that are required to execute a C program are included in this section. Here in this program we have the link section is there. Here we are putting the header files #include stdio.h, #include stdlib.h. So forget about this one. This std, why I included this one? Because of I used the printf and scanf function. These functions code in the stdio.h header file. So this is called the link section. Definition section. In this section, variables are defined and values are set to these variables. So how to define the definition section means variables are defined. So if you want the global variables, so we want actually our program contains the main function, some user defined function, so many functions are there. I want the one global variable. At that time we are using the definition. Sorry, that is regarding to the global declaration section. Definition sections are used to define the variables. Here observe this one. So into total equals to 0, global declaration and definition section. So here like this way also we are declaring the variable, we are define the something. I will explain the how to declare. For example, here I am always using the printf. Okay, so instead of printf you want to write the just pf only. So at the time you are in the global declaration section, printf equals to pf, writing every pf equals to printf. Every time we are using the, instead of printf we are using the pf. Like this way we are using the global declaration section. Definition section. Global declaration, global variables are defined in this section. when the variables is to be used through the program can be defined in this section. So function prototype declaration section. Function prototype gives many information about the function like return type, parameter names used inside the function. Main function, every C program is started from the main function, and this function contains the two major sections called the declaration section and the executable section. In this program we have the main function is there. In the main function we have the declaration section. So in the declaration section we are defining the variable int a, b, and after that I equals to, after that we are writing the sum equals to a plus b plus c, like that. Those called the executable sections or printf, scanf, these are called the executable sections. Okay, main function also contains the two sections. After that, finally, user defined function section. User can define their own function in this section which performs a particular task as per the user requirement. In the coming videos I will explain the how to define the own functions. Okay, in this example we have the own function is there int sum. So it contains the two variables int a comma int b, and we are returning the a plus b. Okay, so these are the sections available in our C program, or we are dividing the C program into the particular sections. Okay, documentation, link section, definition section, global declaration section, function prototype, main function, user defined functions. Thanks for listening.